Welcome back to Black Cars. Compact sedans have long been one of the most practical choices for everyday driving. They're usually efficient, easy to drive in cities, and often more affordable than larger vehicles. One of the newest models entering this segment is the Kia K4. This car represents a new direction for Kia's compact sedan lineup and replaces the previous Kia Forte. With a fresh design, improved interior space, and modern technology, the K4 aims to attract drivers who still prefer the balance of efficiency and practicality that a sedan can offer. In terms of price, the Kia K4 is positioned to remain accessible for a wide range of buyers. In the United States market, the base version starts at around $22,000. Higher trim levels that include additional features and the more powerful engine option can reach close to $28,000. This pricing allows the K4 to compete directly with popular compact sedans while still offering modern styling and advanced technology. One of the most striking aspects of the Kia K4 is its exterior design. The vehicle moves away from the more conservative style often seen in compact sedans. Instead, it adopts sharper lines and a fastback-inspired roofline that creates a more dynamic and sporty appearance. The front of the car features slim headlights and a wide front section that gives the vehicle a confident and modern look. These design elements help the K4 stand out among other vehicles in the same class. The interior of the K4 focuses on combining comfort with digital technology. The dashboard is designed around a wide digital display layout that integrates the driver information screen with the infotainment system. In some versions, the display stretches across a large portion of the dashboard, creating a panoramic digital interface that looks modern and easy to use. Drivers can access navigation, media, and vehicle settings through this system while keeping the cabin layout clean and organized. Interior space has also improved compared with the previous generation. The Kia K4 is slightly larger than the model it replaces, allowing it to provide more room for passengers. Rear seat passengers benefit from generous legroom, which helps make longer journeys more comfortable. The trunk also offers practical cargo capacity of around 15 cubic feet, providing enough space for luggage, groceries, or travel equipment. Under the hood, the Kia K4 offers two different engine options designed for different driving preferences. The standard engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces about 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission designed to deliver smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. For drivers who want stronger performance, a turbocharged engine is also available. This version uses a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces around 190 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. It is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides quicker acceleration and a more responsive driving experience. Fuel efficiency remains one of the key advantages of compact sedans, and the Kia K4 continues this tradition. Depending on the engine and driving conditions, the car can achieve highway fuel economy in the mid to high 30 mile-per-gallon range. This level of efficiency makes the vehicle a practical option for daily commuting and longer highway drives. Safety technology also plays an important role in the design of the K4. The vehicle includes several driver assistance systems that are designed to improve awareness and help reduce the risk of accidents. These systems can include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. Together, these technologies help support the driver both in city driving and highway travel. Overall, the Kia K4 demonstrates how compact sedans continue to evolve with modern styling, improved interior space, and advanced digital technology. By combining practicality, efficiency, and a competitive price, the K4 aims to remain a strong option for drivers who want a modern sedan that is comfortable for everyday use.